Have you ever wondered how heavy machinery can be moved through a busy facility with minimal disruption? Today, we'll go through the tools that can make relocating heavy equipment safe, precise, and efficient, even in the tightest of spaces. Let's start at the beginning with lifting wedges. These are ideal for that critical first lift, creating just enough space to slide in your next piece of equipment. From there, low-height cylinders are one of the next options. These tend to have a short stroke, but telescopic versions give you a little extra height if it's needed. When you want to lift higher, toe jacks are an effective option. These can not only lift from the toe, but if there's enough height clearance, they can also lift from the top. Once your load is off the ground, you'll need to get it moving. That's where machine skates come in. Whether you're using swivel, fixed, or steerable skates, these are a must for smooth horizontal motion. And for boosting efficiency and reducing manual effort, the latest Enerpac e-Mover battery-powered machine skates make it even easier. For overhead lifting in tight spaces, compact and portable solutions like the Enerpac ML40 Mini Gantry are small enough to fit through a standard doorway. These game changers are especially useful when loads are cumbersome, space is restricted, or headroom is limited. Perfect when installing transformers, generators, and even sensitive medical equipment. When wheels aren't practical and headroom is restricted, skidding systems offer a controlled way to slide heavy loads across Teflon-coated pads. And for tight turns, Enerpac turntables can rotate equipment in the tightest of spaces. So to wrap up, whatever your plans are for moving machinery, Enerpac Heavy Lifting and Moving Solutions provide a range of tools and systems to get the job done safely, efficiently, and with minimal disruption. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.